Pre-blizzard fishing. Pre-blizzard fishing. Pre-blizzard fishing. I'm already going to apologize for the audio. It's spitting out here, so I kept the GoPro in the clear case thingy. That seems to be amplifying everything, so I do apologize. We're going to try. They say crappie have been running through here. Tried the other day for crappie here and nothing. And so we brought minnows this time. So they're saying now the snow is supposed to start about 11 noonish. So we'll see what happens. I'll be surprised. They're saying still like 40 inches of snow. So we shall see. So and these rocks are slick. Slick, slick, slick. So we got our minnow bucket. Oh, beautiful. Put that bad boy there. Got a slip bobber running. So hopefully get into some crappies. Oh, got a couple dozen minnows. Oh, that water's chilly. Man, I need a minnow net. Oh, nope, that needs a water. Oh, maybe not. If he stops flipping around, I can get him. Haha, a little bit of dirt on these minnows always helps. So let's get him just behind the spine, or above the spine, below the dorsal fin. Get him out there. Hopefully, he'll catch us. I twisted up there. Something don't feel right here. Oh, there it goes. Hopefully we'll get a few crappie. Alright. And then I'm going to just be throwing a Castmaster on the other line. So I'll let you know if I get anything. Something on the minnow. It looks like a trout though. Oh, that's a nice trout. That's a nice trout. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. Oh yeah, that's a dandy. He swallowed it too. Oh, that's a great trout. Come on, stop flipping. I mean, they do come bigger, but... Oh, come on, buddy. He was in like 3 foot of water there. What do I do with my pliers? Here they are. See if we can get that out without him being all bloodied up. Yep. Cool. All right. The wind's picking up, but we're catching fish. That's great. Got another one on the minnow. Looks like another trout. I want some crappie. Damn. A smaller trout here. Little number 8 hook, slip bobber, minnow. I want some crappie, but I mean these trout are still fun to catch. Sharp little teeth and plop plop. Okay, buddy, back in the water you go. Uh-oh, he's belly up. That's not good. Come on, flip over. Come on. Come on. Swim free, Willie. Get your ass moving. Thank you. Alright. More casting. Oh, I had one on the Castmaster, but he came off. Alright. Woo! Fogging up. Changing locations. Taking Black Beauty. We're gonna go find something. Some fish. Other than trout, I hope. Keep you posted. Switch this out here. I've had good luck on perch and crappie back here in the past, but it's another damn trout. Look at that guy. Man, these trout are decent though. Decent trout. They're loving them minnows. They're loving them minnows. Unfortunately, I left my pliers in the truck. Cool. Come on, partner. Come on, buddy boy. Come on. There we go. Man, good pan fryers. I don't see my other bobber. I got that clear bobber out there, and I don't see it. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Man, sometimes if the angle is just right, I can't see. Let's see here. Did somebody grab this one? Can't tell. Where's he at? I'm following the line. Oh yeah, there's something on there. Hey! He's putting up a fight. It's another trout. I guess it's just the next trout. A couple days, huh? Ooh, boat flip. Look at that guy. Uh-oh, he swallowed it. Uh-oh. There's my manor. Might have to... Come on. Oh, he came out a little bit. Come on, Minner. Get out of there. You go back in the water there. Come on, buddy. Hey, stop wiggling around there. Oh, he's bleeding. He'll go in my frying pan. I guess I should walk back to the truck and get my dang pliers. I should have put them in my pocket. But he's bleeding pretty good, so we'll keep him. We'll throw him up and eat him up. Yep, I'll go get my pliers. Okay, ooh, I'll let you guys know how it's going later. Got another one. I'm just sitting down now. Oh, boat flip. Look at that guy. Man, they're sure pretty. They are sure pretty. Come on, partner. Stop flipping. These have to be the slimiest fish I've ever encountered. I want to get up there and do some of that burbot fishing. I don't see my clear bobber again. Oh, there it is. I did go back. Oh, I did go back to the truck and get the pliers. But look at that little guy. I mean, that's not what I'm wanting, but it's still fun to catch. Boom. Okay. This bank, if you're getting mad at me for throwing the fish back in, I apologize, but this bank is just too muddy to be trying to release them kindly, you know. So let's see if we can catch one on film here. Boom. There's that bad boy up. Where's that rock? I can still see that clear bobber. This bank just falls off. Boom, right about there. See that bobber. We'll see if something comes and hits it. It hasn't been taking very long. At least the drizzle has gone away a little bit. I mean, it's still drizzling. My raincoat's soaked. My pants are soaked, but that's okay. I'm having fun. I'm catching fishies. Not the target species today, but that's okay. Come on, Baba. Come on, Baba. Alright, I'll keep you posted. Got one on the green, Baba. Oh, he just popped off. Oh. That's what happens. I was book facing, messing around. Okay, we'll try again. Clear bobber is down. Had a huge minnow on that guy. Monster minnow. And I think this is the smallest fish of the day. Get up here. Now he's the muddiest fish of the day. That was a huge minnow I had on that guy. Still, look how that pink stripe. Hey now, calm down, buckaroo. Look at that pink stripe going down. Most of these have been stalkers. I mean, some of them might have been natural born, but I bet most of them have been stalkers. This lake gets heavily fished, so cool. So we'll put him back. Oh, I gotta wash these off with my hose at home, I think. Alright, green bobber's still partying, so hopefully we catch at least one perch or crappie, something besides a trout. Got that green bobber. Did we get him? Yeah, we got him. We got him. Man, that was a while for, didn't have a bite for a long time. Damn long time. Oh, no, the clear bobber's still sitting up there. Man, these have all been decent pan frying fish. It's not a pretty one, but if I was wanting to eat a fish, ooh, that's covered in mud. Man, I am just absolutely covered in mud. Fishing this channel here. There we go. We're going back in the water. Nice. Alright. So, I think that puts it about 10 for today. I caught one. Had dead battery. Had to change batteries. But, oh, still got plenty of minnows. I'm still hoping that some perch or crappie, the wind's picking up. Gonna have to decide what I'm gonna do here. I'm starting to get a little chilly. This moisture. Oops, there's the clear. Oh, something took that clear bobber down for a second. This moisture in the air is just starting to seep into me. But I'm gonna keep trying, so I'll keep you posted. Got one on the green bobber again. Oh, and he came off. Damn it. Oh, he left my minnow though. Let's get it back out there. Right about there it was. That didn't act like a trout. That didn't act like a trout whatsoever. So we'll see. Maybe it's gonna change here. Green bobber's playing again. Green bobber's playing again. Let's see if we can get him. Oh, damn it. Urgh. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Everything's covered in mud. It's wet. It's awesome. Green bobber is down. I repeat. Oh, it's back up. Man, I gotta stop messing around here. Oh, there he is. I got him that time. He's on there. Oh, that feels. Oh, hello. That feels like a better fish there. That's only 4-pound line. I don't want to break him off. He feels like a decent fish. Even though I bet it's a... Man, these little trout sure fight hard. You know what? Urgh, a boat flip. Whoop, now oh boy. Holy smokes. They've got me a mess on there now. Yakers. Okay. Cool. He swallowed it. And he's covered in mud. But we knew that was going to happen. Hopefully we can get him out. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on. He might be in the frying pan as well. Oh. Hey, no blood, no harm, no foul. He's off. And he is swimming. Sweet. Okay. Another one. There we go. Well, I'm going to call it a morning. Did pretty good on the trout. Not the target species, but that's okay. It was still fun. My hands are super numb and wet. Everything's wet. Most things are muddy. So I'm going to go home and take a hot shower and eat a sandwich. So you guys be safe in this blizzard that's coming. We finally got some big snowflakes falling here. So until next time, catch you later.